Okay, guys, today I'm doing what I call SEO 101, hand on desk. I'm showing you 100% guarantee way to rank high on Google. This one is 100% guarantee. If you are on website or you are running website to make money, you need to know this one. Very, very important. This is what I've been doing for the past 13 years. This is my area, search engine optimization. So this is a new website that has just launched. And so far, it has been receiving some impression, but not a lot of clicks. And this is all that I needed to start seeing impression. Once I start seeing impression, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna go to Search Console. The first thing we're going to do is to go to Google Search Console. You can go to Google and type in search.google.com or Search Console. Just type in Search Console on Google, it will bring you here. That is where you have added your property, which is the website. If you have not added your property to Google Console, go and watch YouTube video on how to do it. It's simple and easy. Once you have done that, let's come to search performance. Let's go click on performance. So I'm gonna select, okay, I'm gonna leave it on 7 days. I can also select last 28 days. Okay, let's do last 28 days or 7 days. Let's do 7 days. So in the last 28 days, it has received 1,800 impressions, but only 12 clicks. So what that means is that Google is showing this site on search results, but not a lot of people are clicking on it because the reason is the keyword that people are searching are not the keyword. I'm not targeting those exact keyword. If I have been targeting those exact keywords that people are searching for, I would have been getting more clicks. And that is exactly what I'm going to do, because this performance tab shows you exactly what people are searching for that make Google include your website in the result. Your website is not the only website that showed up in Google result when people type this keyword that we are looking at here. All of these are keywords that people are typing into Google. So when they type this, my website are one of those shown, but it could be in the number 50 or 10 or 20 or 100. So when I'm ranking on number 20, there are likelihood that I will not receive a lot of click. So I want to rank number 1 or 2 or 3 minimum. So what I'm going to target here is the longest keyword. We call it long tail keyword that people are searching for. So I'm going to target this one. And I have already done that. I've already targeted this one. So I've done what I wanted to show you. So I have already targeted this one. I came here. I saw that this is what people are searching. I saw that 21 people have keyed in the same keyword. And my website was one of the results shown by Google, but I didn't receive a lot of clicks. So what I do is I copy this keyword. I went to my website, which is about import, export, this thing. I wrote an article using the help of ChatGPT. I wrote an article. Here is the article. I wrote an article about this keyword. Now, in this article, you can see that I used the exact keyword that people are searching for on Google to do the title. In other words, the title of this page is exactly that thing that I copied from Search Console. Now, let's look at the results. Let's go back to Google. Let's go back to Google. I'm going to paste it here. This is exactly what people search. This is what these people are typing into Google when they come. Now, I will search for it. Now, there is a problem everybody has. If you are a webmaster, you know about this problem. Google AI overview. Since they launched this AI overview, it has reduced click-through rate, because what happened is that when people are searching for any keyword at all, Google now show an overview. This overview can easily answer the query or the question that is being asked without the person even visiting your website. So it's a problem, but there is nothing we can do about it. So after this Google AI overview, let's see. Okay, so my website is ranking number 4. No. Actually, I'm ranking. Oh, let's see. These are all sponsored ad. I think, yeah, this one is sponsored result. Look, So these guys pay for this result. They are not ranking me. I am still number one. I am now ranking number one organically on this keyword. The people above me, those three, 1, 2, 3, 4 actually, as you can see, Google clearly tell you they are sponsored result. That means these people are paying for this keyword. They are paying for this keyword, and I cost them a lot for them to show for this result. Now that I've seen them, if I click on any of them, they will, Google will charge them. But I am organically, naturally, without paying a dime, ranking for this keyword. How did that happen? Because I went to my Google Search Console and copied the longest keyword that I see people are searching for, and my website is included in the impression. I used it and wrote an article that matches, that has the same exact keyword in the title, and as a result, I am now ranking number one on this keyword. Now, if I want to keep doing this every day, I can do like five articles a day from keyword that I got from Google Search Console, because when I click next, I can see more long-tail keywords that I still have to target. Best CBP e-commerce compliant platform, international shipping 2025. This is what somebody is searching in 2026. If I target this keyword, I will be getting more clicks. I could easily rank number one on this one. Now, which platform I consider the best for integrated custom import validation? I can easily rank number one on this one too. So imagine I wake up every day and just come to Google Search Console now that my website is already bringing some impression, and all I do is copy this and go and write an article on it. This is how you build website from 27 clicks, because this is brand new website. By the way, it's an expired domain, not expiring domain that I bought, that is now doing well. I have said it in my previous videos. The easiest way to rank a website now is not to build brand new website and start building backlinks on it and all that. It's better you buy expiring domain that has, slightly good quality link pointing to it. You are good to go. This website, I bought it for like $150, and it's now bringing 12 clicks. This is all I needed. I would surely double this 12 click to 2,000 click easily by just doing what I just showed you. So this is how you make money. When that traffic start coming, by the time I start seeing like 5,000 traffic, I will now start monetizing it, maybe with Amazon product and other things. This is how you make money. Now, when you have this kind of website, you have it like 10 that are doing well, you are good to go. You make money every day while you are sleeping. So, and if you have been following me, you notice I no longer talk about Facebook, because Facebook is not real business. With website, you are in total control. You control everything. You can decide which ad you want to show on your website. I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.